In this tutorial, we'll build a 6-sided wave sail. This refers to a single sail on 6 poles. We add the 6 poles using our default pole height. We then select the 3 low poles and change the heights of these to say 2.6 meters. Now we add 1 quad sail, select each pole in a clockwise direction, then we add the second quad sail, now we merge the sails using the merge tool, follow the instructions, and we now have a 6-sided sail. We can rotate the design in 3D to show the client how the design will look. Thank you again for watching. For more examples and tutorials, please go to MPanel.com or search for MPanel on YouTube and subscribe to our video channel.